Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about People's Plan Campaign 2021. Herein we shall be preparing plans for the upcoming financial year, that is 2022-2023. Most of the times we see the rural community people who are so much unaware about the schemes, who are among the weaker section of the society, who do not have much access to government officers. So government had a plan to move their premises very close to their doorsteps. So now the government comes to them, officers from different line departments, they visit during the Gram Panchayat development plan formulation and they guide as to what is their budget and what plans may be taken. Nearly 70% Indians live in rural areas as per census 2011. As such, the importance of panchayat level planning can never be overemphasized. Here you can see the total number of PRIs including the tribal local bodies. It is 2,69,250. We have total number of 2,62,364 Gram Panchayats and we have elected PRIs 31 lakhs. Number of elected women representatives 14.39. National average population per GP is 3,416. Planning at panchayat level is not a new concept. Article 243G of Indian Constitution mandates that panchayat should prepare plans for economic development and social justice. Implement these plans so that economic development and social justice in the panchayats is achieved. Earlier in the 14th Finance Commission, direct devolution of fund was given to the Gram Panchayats only, and these funds were to be utilized for making proper plans for socio-economic development of the panchayats, ensuring social justice. Each panchayat developed one panchayat development plan in a decentralized way so as to ensure inclusive growth and development. In 2018, People's Plan campaign was rolled out as Sabki Yojana, Sabka Vikas. If we look back in the recent past, the way panchayats have fought back the pandemic, we all would agree panchayats can be the real drivers of rural transformation. Gram Panchayat is the seat of village level governance so that all the 18 departments covering 29 sectors plans are made. Panchayats have always been central to government scheme as well as socio-economic projects. Panchayats are already playing a very vital role in health, education, nutrition, skill development sectors. We need to have one panchayat, one holistic plan which includes funds from different departments, different schemes, so that we come up with a very powerful GPDP. Powers have been devolved by line departments. Devolution of 15 finance grants have been done. When we talk of rural transformation, our elected representatives would be catalyst as enablers of development. This year we are heading to the 4th year of the campaign. 2nd October to 31st January is the duration of the campaign. The main aim of the campaign is to ensure that the panchayat plans are prepared with grassroots level awareness, community involvement and vigilance as well. During the campaign, we have structured Gram Sabha meetings and we utilize Mission Antyodaya survey data for making the plans. These are the 29 subjects and 18 line departments like agriculture, land improvement, animal husbandry, minor forest produce. Talking of the ministries, Panchayati Raj, rural development, social justice and empowerment, etc. Allow me to quote Benjamin Franklin. He said, "If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail." We give great emphasis to a good plan, and a good plan cannot be prepared without community involvement. We aim to strengthen 31 lakh elected panchayat leaders and 5.25 crore self-help group women. The focus is on preparing an evidence-based plan based on Mission Antyodaya survey gaps. All the information regarding to the campaign is available in public domain gpdp.nic.in. Along with that, we have public information display boards, various apps like eGram Swaraj app, Gram Samvad app, wherein you can see the various data related to the campaign. This People's Plan Campaign 2021, Ministry expect that sustainable development goals are included as Sankalp for rural development while preparing for the Panchayat plans. With 4 years of successful implementation of the campaign, we are good at planning our Gram Panchayat development plans. Now we need to focus on district and block Panchayat development plans as well. GPDP creation process. People's Plan campaign is coordinated by Department of Panchayati Raj at state level. Panchayati Raj department coordinates with different line departments in order to implement the campaign successfully. The campaign flags off on 2nd October, but the preparation starts in the last week of July. On 2nd October, we have Gram Sabhas and various functions across all the panchayats. We try to create environment, have some situation analysis. The dates of special Gram Sabha are decided and uploaded in GPDP portal. On designated date, Gram Sabha is held along with the facilitator. Based on Mission Antyodaya survey, plans are prepared. After that, we have plan development, prioritization of the plans and projectization of plans. After this, we have a second Gram Sabha that is meant for plan approval. This Gram Sabha is mandatory for approving plans in the portal. Once the plan is approved, activities are created in eGram Swaraj portal. After all the activities are created, plan is approved in eGram Swaraj portal and it is mandatory to upload as attachment the proceeding of Gram Sabha approval. Then the activities are implemented, geotagged, and it is only after that that payments can be made against those activities. Unless the activities are uploaded in the eGram Swaraj portal, no payments can be made. The success of the campaign revolves around 4 key elements: Gram Sabhas, facilitators, Mission Antyodaya, and eGram Swaraj portal. Gram Sabhas, as we have discussed, there has to be 2 Gram Sabha during the campaign. There should be presence of officers from line department. Discussion should be on way forward, and SHG women should have a contribution to give. Mission Antyodaya is really important because it is through this survey that we get an idea the gaps existing in the panchayats. This year we are not conducting the survey, we are using last year's survey data. Facilitators play a vital role in the whole campaign. They coordinate with frontline staff, facilitate Gram Sabha. They ensure community mobilization, especially the vulnerable section like SC, ST, women during Gram Sabha, and they have to submit a report regarding conduct of Gram Sabha on the portal. Talking about eGram Swaraj, earlier we had 11 different web portals. Now they have come under one umbrella, and herein we do all the activities starting from planning till execution to payment. eGram Swaraj captures all the GP profile data. It is used by district, block, GPs. It is used for uploading approved plans. eGram Swaraj has massive data for analysis. Since 2021-22, District Panchayat Development Plans and Block Panchayat Development Plans have been mandated. The focus for this plan should be bigger one and connecting 2 or more GPs or 2 or more blocks. Learnings from previous PPC campaign: number of Gram Sabhas, less attendance in Gram Sabha, requirement to ensure community involvement, mass mobilization. In the last campaigns, we had only a couple of line departments participating in the Gram Sabhas. We need to rope in more line departments. Inclusion of village poverty reduction plans in GPDP. We need to include resource envelope from different schemes. By large, Manrega, 15 finance schemes are being utilized till now. We need to include more sectors in our planning. Lack of awareness regarding different Yojana schemes, subsidies available for planning. Delayed data entry due to lack of technical know-how in GPs. Slow implementation of GPDP activities. In order to combat these gaps, interventions have been made. We are focusing on community mobilization, inclusion of sustainable development goals. Second point, zero hunger. Evidence-based planning, For evidence-based planning, we need to utilize gap reports of Mission Antyodaya survey. Panchayat decision support system have been developed. Planning and reporting dashboard have to be utilized. VPRPs to be discussed mandatorily. Self-help groups to help in improving social development. Targeted attendance at least 10%. Sustainable development goals to form the overall planning goal for this year. Emphasis on no hunger goal. Mandatory addition of at least one Sankalp by GP for planning. However, panchayats are always free to take more than one. For holistic planning, plans to not just include 3 or 4 sectors. All central and state level schemes to be added in resource envelope. In order to include VPRP, Ministry of Panchayati Raj and Ministry of Rural Development have worked together. MORD has developed an interface to capture VPRP, and Ministry of Panchayati Raj is also developing an interface to get those data of VPRP and include it in GPDP. This would increase efficiency and reach of poor-centric programs, better participation by panchayat. It would also improve community-based monitoring and social audit, democratically conscious community to help strengthen and sustain local government institutions and increase community ownership of public programs. If we could only ensure that people attend Gram Sabha for the preparation of panchayat plans, we are halfway through. As such, community mobilization has a great role to play. In order to ensure community mobilization, we may use local levels like Gram Mitras, activities like wall painting, door-to-door campaign, village meeting, Nukkad Natak, Gram Rath. We should use mass media, proper material like press note, pamphlets, etc. Make use of social media, effective WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. for capturing all the ongoing activities. Regular felicitation of local champions and leveraging local communities. Organizing Grand Mahotsav, collaboration with other agencies, NCC, school, district administration, renowned dignitaries, celebrities, industrialists, businessmen, etc. Available resources and reports. Mission Antyodaya report is made available in eGram Swaraj portal. If the user logs in with his panchayat credentials, he can see the gaps there. The gaps are also available in the Mission Antyodaya portal. As you can see in the picture, red color indicates gaps that needs to be addressed urgently. Planning and reporting dashboard has many useful information that can be utilized while preparation of the panchayat plans. GPDP sectoral report is made available in public domain. Scheme-wise filter data can be used for better understanding of user. Panchayat decision support system have been developed. Please don't get scared with the words decision support system. You don't have to do anything. You just have to click and it will show you the results which will help you in planning. It is as simple as sending a picture over WhatsApp. Panchayat decision support system ranks the PRIs on basis of Mission Antyodaya survey and suggests sector-wise planning. It covers more than 18 key sectors that are mentioned in the 11th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Here you can see an example of Panchayat decision support system. Here we have opened a state. As you can see from the picture, it shows average score. For example, financial and communication infrastructure, the score is 88, which is very good. Whereas in drinking water, the score is 43. And in women and child development, it is 38. In social security, it is 37.38, which means this is the weakest sector. In this way, this score can be used for better planning. Gram Manchitra is GIS-based planning system. Gram Manchitra provides decision support system to panchayats. It is integrated with eGram Swaraj portal. All the assets that are geotagged in eGram Swaraj are visible in Gram Manchitra. Panchayat can visualize the progress of development work in Panchayat on map. Gram Manchitra helps in deciding the location of the assets so as to have maximum coverage. It also helps in cost analysis. You can just put the details, parameters of the asset and it shall give you the cost of the project. Even though we have the GPDP portal with all the information regarding the campaign, Public information board has to be there in every panchayat with details like name of the panchayat, district, block, name of the head of the panchayat, number of revenue villages in the gram panchayat or gram panchayats in the blocks, etc., along with LGD code, number of schemes that are functional, and the amount involved in it. Capacity building and handholding support. NIRD and SIRDs shall provide technical support to states for capacity building of PRIs and functionaries on sustainable development goals, including subjects of national importance. And when we impart this capacity building, we should make sure that we are not scaring them away with technology. We should make them familiar that you are already using the technology. We are there for handholding, and nobody can make plans better than them. These are the timelines to be followed for the campaign. Ticked ones are those which are completed. People's Plan Campaign 2021 expectations. This year we expect to shift our focus from quantity to quality, and we should emphasize on monitoring of these projects. Focus planning, targeting sustainable development goals with extensive participation of line department. Timely completion of campaign activities. States with election to complete campaign before model code of conduct. Inclusion of village poverty reduction plan in GPDP. NIRD and SIRD to anchor capacity building efforts and hand-holding support. Evidence-based planning using MA gaps, Panchayat decision support system, Gram Manchitra, etc. Emphasis on monitoring. These are the resources which I have also shared in the description. I'm sure this year we'll have better plans for our Gram Panchayats, Block Panchayats and District Panchayats. Do invite me to see the development of your Panchayats. Thank you for listening. Thank you.